Hello and welcome to our Box to Backup in 15 Minutes video series. Over the next several videos, you're going to take a first-hand look at exactly how quick and painless it is to unbox an Object-First appliance, rack it, stack it, configure it, and be sending your Veeam immutable backups to it within a matter of minutes. So come on, let's get started with video 1, the unboxing experience. Once your Object-First appliance arrives, you'll notice that it comes packaged nice and securely on a pallet for safe shipping. To begin the unboxing, you simply open the top of the box. You'll need a 2-person lift so that you can safely take the appliance from the box, place on a table, so that you can begin the server rack rail installation process. Also included in the box is a laminated placemat complete with pictures to guide you through your initial setup and deployment process. You also get some assorted manuals for the server. Here's your server rack rails that we mentioned. Also in the box, you get your power supply cables and cable management attachments to keep everything nice and clean in your server rack. So once again, if we lay everything out on the table, you've got your appliance front and center, you've got your server rack rails, cable management, power supplies, and small assorted items such as the bezel. Secure, simple, and powerful backup storage, specifically engineered for Veeam customers, enabling them to remain simply resilient.